Coolzy Pro Air Conditioner is marketed as a compact cooling device that promises powerful cooling, low energy consumption, and easy alternative to a traditional air conditioner. But the real question is it real cooling or just marketing? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices are real products. Some use compressor technology, while others function more like fans or evaporative coolers. The actual performance depends on the design and specifications. What it does well: portable and compact. A small unit is easy to move between rooms or workspaces. Simple setup. Most portable cooling devices require little installation, where the height falls apart. Tiny units have cooling limits. This is the biggest issue. A compact device cannot match the cooling capacity of a full-sized air conditioner for large spaces. Marketing often exaggerates room coverage. Real-world performance may be much lower than advertised. Cooling depends on the technology used. Evaporative coolers perform differently from compressor-based air conditioners. So, is Coolzy Pro Air Conditioner real cooling or just marketing? Short answer: some real cooling, but don't expect miracles. It may provide effective cooling for a small area or personal space, but expecting whole room air conditioning from a compact unit is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.